Okay guys, hope you're well. Just finishing off for the night. Got my coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. And I'm going to check the answers hub in the Discord. Now this is for the members to ask questions. And it gets put into the Traders Clinic. Now some are public, some are just for the guys. Really depends on what they're asking. If it's about strategy or something that I think is incredibly important, it stays with this lot. If it's for just a general question, a little bit like today's, I'll just come onto camera and you can kind of see what we're up to a certain degree. So we'll come into here and the answers are always done in a video format. And the reason why I do it in the video format is I just didn't like typing things out, to be honest. And as you can see, we go through it and they're constantly asking questions. I come to camera and I answer them for them. This one's very simple. Hi Scruff, have a quick question for you. Would you enter a river trade on a Friday? Okay, I think first of all I need to define what a river trade is. A river trade is a trend following system that works on a two-stage trigger. Now, once the two-stage trigger is in place, you can enter the trade. Now, because it's predominantly a swing trading strategy, it really doesn't matter when you enter it. Now, I like to use day charts. So what I do is I have a tendency to place a pending order at the end of the day, normally between 9 and 10 o'clock at night, and then just let it get on with it. It's literally that simple. Now, you can also set this up first thing on a morning because the Asian session is pretty quiet, and we're looking for it to run over the course of 3 to 4 days, possibly into 3 to 4 weeks. So the timing of your entry isn't as important as you think it is. So if you see a setup on a Friday night, just put your pending order in. It's not an issue and you'll be fine. Now, again, one of the things with the river is though, you kind of need to see the triggers complete. So that's why it's last thing at night, just as the candle's either shut or pretty much as it's closing, because it's date candle, it's not going to change a great deal in an hour or so. Or first thing on a morning when it's just starting to move, because candles will retrace on themselves and they often retrace halfway. Now, if that's the case, it'll pick your pending order up anyway, because one of the things with a swing trading strategy, certainly when you're using higher time frame candles like a 4-hour candle, a weekly or a day, the pullback is going to be quite vicious from a day trading perspective. But in relation to the candle, it might only come back 20% of the candle and then obviously carry on. So an answer to the question doesn't really matter. Just ensure that your criteria is met. Hope that helps. And as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you on the next one.